It's arrived today. Dumating na yung gusto ko. Open natin. Para daw to sa mga allergy, virus o protection. Ito na po. So, ang gagawin dito is ikwintas mo lang. Ganun yun. Isahin natin. So, Air Tamer A310 rechargeable and personal air purifier. Important safety instruction about your timer. All the safety are operating should be read either and follow before the unit is operated. Do not immerse unit in liquid or allow liquid to enter units. Do not use while bathing or in shower. Do not place store unit where it can fall or be folded into a towel sink. Health caution. Pacemaker fashion channel 10 years age of people problem or heart or lung disease should consult. Use advanced ionized technology. Air Tamer 8 use advanced ionized technology to protect you from super small atomic sized particles such as bacteria, molds, and viruses, which are often the most hazardous to your health. Constant and healthy negative ion cause the air to become negative from your personal. To fit everywhere you go. Creating. So, yan. On and off. Negative and healthy. On and off. Indicator lights. Ayan na po. Meron na po ako. Thank you.